What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Mirrors Outdoors. Today we're doing a little bit something different today. As you can see, we're now part of the Traeger team. So we've got the Traeger Ironwood 650 here. I'm gonna unbox it, open it up, and put it together for you guys so you can check it out. Stick around. Alright, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open this one up here. So what I got was the Father's Day special. So it should have come with a few things. So let's open up a few things here and see what we got. Got a bunch of paper. Alright, so we got hickory pellets. We got the Traeger signature blend, maple, cherry, and other hardwood blends here. We got more paper. We've got some Traeger rubs. So we've got the prime rub, the chicken rub, and the pork and poultry rub. And this here is a little something extra that I purchased. This is the front folding shelf. So we'll put that on when it's time to get there. Alright, so that's all that's in that box. Alright guys, now time to the meat and potatoes of it here. So what we got here is the Traeger Ironwood 650. Let's get it open, see what we got. Alright, well, this says right here, start here. So that's what we're going to do. Start here. So let's see what we got. We've got a little handwritten letter from Traeger. Assembly instructions. Welcome to the wood fire revolution. I'm excited, man. We're gonna probably cook on this tonight. So put this over. Use this kind of as a table. What do we got here? You've got a meat probe. Toolkit. It obviously comes with everything. It comes with everything to put it together tool-wise, but I'm probably going to use one of my wrenches for this. Handle. And the cross pieces for the legs. boys and girls. So sit tight. We're gonna do a little time lapse. Let's get this thing put together. Well, alright guys, there you go, there you have it. Traeger Ironwood 650 all put together. I'm ready to smoke on it, I'm ready to cook on it. So you guys stick around and be checking out some more videos with the first seasoning and first cook. There'll be a lot to come. As always, you can find us on Instagram at Mears Outdoors. You can find us on Twitter at Mears Outdoors. And as always, thank you guys so much.